come with the staff here. You can imagine there is no overhead cost. There is no overhead cost. If you want to buy A4 paper now for your office, it's either the director will bring money for his pocket or with the 5 year will go borrow paper, they do work. After they go say wicked work. Which kind of work is work? How you go take work? It's like a man when marry wife. In wife they hungry for inside room. Then they go come outside. They share money for beggars. They share money for everywhere. They go they shout, Baba Mutu, Baba Mutu. Meanwhile, there is no Mutu in him. No Mutu in him. We can just come and enslave us. In fact, we regretted having him as a minister in FCT. When he come, we think say go better. We think say things go better. But we never knew the reverse is the case. Even when he comes, they first tell us that he's not workers friendly. We say no, make we work, make we watch her. Because from my place, they say that they look native doctor, make it throw in Oracle. He came pretended as if he was good initially. The only thing when he do now is the Civil Service Commission, and the Civil Service Commission is not properly structured. The so-called the commission, the chairman of Civil Service Commission, removed 700 names of workers from payroll, saying don't discover ghost workers. Since when they come, no promotion, no salary. In fact, salary this month now go end today now. Now on the 5th of next month, now we will get salary. On the 5th, on the 6th, and that on the 5th, on the 6th. Now after we don't go pressurize, don't go do fight, don't go make noise, don't do a looter before they go to begin see alert. How can they work like that? So which kind of minister I be? Now street minister. Minister when they do for outside, where they see me. Meanwhile, people when you supposed to take care of for inside, they are suffering. What we want from him, we have about 10 items we enumerated. One, promotion 2023, 24, 25 should be done. Then secondly, there should be overhead costs. Then what do they call it? This director of a team. Overseeing director. We can come, he design another civil service rule for FCT, overseeing director. We can be overseeing director. It's either you are a director or you are not a director. And if you are a director, you should be able to act in that capacity for at least 6 months before you are confirmed.
And the head of civil service.
But in his own case, overseeing director go there 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Who can be overseeing director? It's either you are there or you are not there. Then there are some people that ought to have retired as a director, but because there was no promotion, they retired as assistant director. So what kind of thing is that? So weekend is not a blessing to us, rather it's a disaster to those of us staff in FCTA here.
What you've seen here is a peaceful mammoth crowd of the staff of the FCT administration and the Federal Capital Development Agency, FCDA. It's long overdue. What you see here is a tip of the iceberg. And the action is long overdue. But because of the enduring spirit of the staff, we decided to be patient enough to hold our breath, hoping that one day we'll eat our porridge. But as the days go by, the situation gets worsened. We have discovered that there is no milk for human kindness that runs the vein of the Pro-Wike, the FCT minister. He's callous, he's so wicked, so sadistic, he's inhuman. He takes sadistic pleasure to see mankind, anything that has 2 legs, we cannot have no respect for that person. The only person he respects is Tinubu. He doesn't even respect God. And we have come out today to shoot a simple salvo, a catapult. That's what we are shooting today. That's what you have seen here. We have over 30,000 staff of the FCT administration. We have decided to just come with the staff, the executive members of the various unions. Then we will mobilize if we fail to, expedite action on our demand. Good. We have so many problems and challenges, but we have just selected very few as a step in the door. The staff you see here, they hardly receive their training programs. For the past 10 years, no training. And if we come to compound it, we don't have work materials. If you go to the offices, no typewriter, no computers, nothing. Even a paper A4, single A4, to print a memo. We don't have. You go from office to office begging, to the extent that you use your own money to buy material to work. We are saying that, telling the whole world that yes, as citizens of this great country, we believe in development, infrastructural development. We like the projects that are going on, although the projects are supposed to be investigated because we can influence all the projects, it collects gratifications. Otherwise, why will we neglect other aspects of administration? Administration go in compatibility, in harmony with project development, with infrastructure development. Because the project you see, the people that drive it are human beings. If you come to the legal contracts they develop, it is the legal secretariat, all the lawyers are no longer, they are overwhelmed. They cannot do. It's just Wike himself single-handedly went to the National Assembly to submit project in a 2025 budget. Not even a single director that followed him. But what we used to do, they will send circulars to the various divisions, departments, sections, and units, so that you will now articulate your own vital needs that will make up the entire component of the budget. But it just went there. Nobody knows. All the permanent secretaries, the directors, they is no overhead. They fear him like lion.
Yes, of course. You see me in uniform because I work with AEPB, and this is my uniform as a AEPB staff. So we, the auxiliary staff of AEPB, we have not received salary for good 6 months now. And some of us have worked for more than 20 years here, some 50 years, some 10 years above. So we are here without even appointment letter, no gratuity, no pension for us, and we work for more than 20 years. You can imagine any day they say go, where can we start from? We don't have anywhere to start from. By then they have already used us all. So please, sir, we are demanding for appointment letter, and we are demanding for our salary to be paid. And sir, if you check, even our salary is too poor for us in this stage that we are now. How much are we paying? How much are we paying house rent? How much are we paying our children's school fees? Sir, our salary is too poor. 35,000 naira is too poor for us. Is it not right? So 35,000 naira is too poor for us. Sir, please, we demand for appointment letter, and we also demand for our salary to be paid for 6 months.
The number you are able to see here today is not enough. By the time we wait for their response and they refuse to respond, tomorrow will be mass. And this place will not contain the rest of, because we are fighting on behalf of 40,000 FCT staff. And every of our demand concern all the 40,000 staff of the FCT. So I believe by this number of staff you see here, already encouraging, but tomorrow will be more than what you are seeing here today. Commissioning project is not a new thing in FCT. Every minister that has come to FCT have been commissioning project, and they have been working, they have been performing. But to give it to him, he's doing well in the area of infrastructure. We are not talking about the area of infrastructure. You see roads, building roads and bridges, and busy commissioning. But all of the people driving the economy, we are staff, we are the one doing the work, and we are not encouraged. For past 3 years now, 2023, 2024, 2025, no promotion. And this FCT Civil Service Commission that we are talking about, we fought for it with our blood. By the time we realized it and he came on board, it's the minister that is enjoying him more. There is one bringing in all this appointee from his state and from every other places. And what we are saying is that you are doing infrastructure, capital development staff of the FCT should be happy. Paid like we health workers now. He owns us 13 months arrears, running to about 500,000 plus, and workers are denied. And you know the economy now is very, very harsh. So if you cannot do it now, then it will be very, very wrong. So that's why we are now saying that they should listen to our demand.
Yes, we pray that our demand should not even be met, so that we'll teach him a lesson. He will never enter here, he can pass here. And he told